Hey friends, welcome back. So I just did a video a bit ago talking about the Presonus StudioLive 24R playing nicely with a Motu 24AO output converter. So this video, I just want to show a very simplified way of how to use these two products together. The last video was showing the two of those units together using a Motu AVB switch, but since we're only using one interface slaved to the StudioLive 24R, this next bit of experimentation was, do I need the switch? And the answer is no, you don't. You can just link these two interfaces together, or these two components together, and they will work over AVB. So in its current configuration, the StudioLive 24R is connected directly to the Motu 24AO via a AVB, just using an Ethercon cable, just connecting the two together. So I want to show you just a simple example of what you can do here over AVB and why this is very cool. Here is your disclaimer. If your interface is not seeing your local network, say, be it Wi-Fi or even just a local kind of, if you're plugged into the same switch per the last video, you're not going to have any control configuration of the Motu 24AO. So however you configured it last is the way that it's going to stay unless it hits some other type of network device. What I should say here is, if you have to configure the Motu in a specific way so that it'll work, I encourage you to check out the previous video, check out the link, and that'll show you just the basic Motu config as to how it works. So assuming that you watched that video, this is a natural progression to go to a more simplified version of, once the Motu 24AO is configured, then you can hook it directly to the StudioLive 24R. So let's use a very simple example of extending an auxiliary send. Or I should say extending an auxiliary send beyond the physical outputs of the console. So the console, as it stands, has 12 assignable mix outputs. So let's say that for whatever reason you need 13. So what I'm going to do here is within my universal control software, I have a mic plugged into channel 23. So hey, this is my mic in channel 23. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into my mix masters. I'm going to bring up my aux 13 master level and put that to unity. I'm going to go back to my mixes and go to channel 23. We're going to go to auxiliary 13 and put channel 23 in there. So I'm just going to bring this up to about there, grab my mic. Hey, 2, hey. Okay, so that signal-wise is hitting auxiliary 13. So let's bring that down. All you have to do is go into your little cog up here to the digital patching menu and look at AVB 1. Let's make AVB 1. So this would be Motu analog output number 1. So all we do is scroll to the right here, and we will go to mix 13. We'll just click that just like that. Okay, so we're going to come back to our aux send page. So channel 23, we're just going to bring that up a little bit. And I have a switched microphone, so I'm just going to switch this microphone on. Hey, yep, hey, 2. And that's coming through my studio speakers at the moment. Hey, nice, 2, yep, hey. So it's nice and clean. It's all happening over AVB. So if we look down here at our Motu 24AO, hey, 2, hey, 2. So if you look at that, it's on the far left-hand side of the analog output 1. Yep, hey, 2. So hope this answers any basic questions about patching over AVB. If you have any more questions, please just let me know. If not, have a good day. Thanks for stopping by.